Serena Deeb has just retained the GLCW Ladies Championship. An amazing spear on Melanie Cruz here at Blizzard Brawl 9. Ladies action, tag team action, singles action, all kinds of action. Jeff Lynn, the ring announcer here tonight, announcing that Serena Deeb, as you see in the ring, has retained the Ladies Championship at a very active Blizzard Brawl. Folks, coming up next, it is tag team action. X and Smash of Demolition will be defending their GLCW Tag Team Championships against Xavier Mustafa and Tony Scarpone, managed by Chaz Moretti. Still to come here tonight, it is for the GLCW Championship. Al Snow versus Joseph Park Esquire. The special guest referee is none other than Armando Estrada. Will Armando Estrada call it down the middle? We'll find out tonight here at Blizzard Brawl 9. We'll see you after the next matchup.